So we got some stuff painted. These were, well, I got those paint. Well, he got those painted, whatever. Got these painted tonight, and then we got both of those painted, which I think these were already painted, so I think these are dry. But it's getting closer. It's getting closer. You probably can't see a whole lot. Thought I'd introduce you guys. This is the Charger. It's an 06 Charger. This is the car I was racing. It's pretty quiet. You can't really hear much unless you really step on it, but even then you really can't hear much. It's a 5.7 Charger, 5.7 liter V8 Charger, 06 Charger. This is a car I ran, I think, 14.1 or 14.2 in the quarter at like 97 or 100 miles an hour right there somewhere. This is the car I took down to Gateway and raced. Took down to the track downtown, or down in the city, or east of the city, whatever. Took down there and raced. I don't know where I stand with the video this weekend or anything. I probably won't, even if we get the rear end back this weekend per se. I got a wedding. I got to go to my cousin's wedding this weekend. So that's Saturday, Friday, Saturday, all that. Probably not Sunday. And Sunday I'm going to get a toolbox for my grandpa over at his hangar over in just north of the track, maybe 20 minutes or so. I probably won't get a video up this weekend. There might be videos within the next day or two. There probably won't be. I don't know. It just varies, so I don't really know. But after this weekend, all next week and next weekend or whatnot, we should probably be able to get some stuff done as long as nothing major comes up. But we're slowly getting it done. It's just taking time. We just gotta like I said, we just gotta mount the rear end. Once we get it back, we gotta mount the computer, you know, finish up a couple little things in the in the engine compartment, and then I mean she's done, or he, I should say. So I would say hopefully within the next month or so I'd like to have it down at the track, more or less. It's got to get exhaust work done on it too. That's another big thing, but we're not doing that. We're having somebody else do it. So we're having somebody else do it. He does it real cheap, and he does a damn good job at it. I'll give him that. He does a damn good job for the price you pay. So I'll give it to him. He's basically out of Innsbruck, Missouri. Yeah, he does a damn good job for the price you pay. I mean, it's not half-assed or anything. It's done right, and it looks really good. Because he did the work on this Charger, and it looks and sounds amazing. I've never been dissatisfied with anything I've brought down there. I've always been satisfied. So we're gonna have him do the exhaust work. So like I said, he does a really good job, so we're gonna have him do it. And after that, I mean, we can pretty much get it tuned, because we can't really drive it and whatnot because we got to get the O2 sensors in it, and to get the O2 sensors in it, we pretty much have to have the exhaust in it because there's not enough length on the header. So we got to get exhaust on it to get the O2 plug and whatnot in it, and then we can pretty much drive it and tune it. But yeah, so I wouldn't see a whole lot of videos probably this weekend or this week or anything like that. So by the sounds of it, we're going to get the toolbox. Going to get the toolbox. We're gonna go get the toolbox Sunday, and I'm probably gonna go tool shopping. Because for some reason I got a stimulus check. I think that's what it is, but nobody else got one. But it was from the federal government for $1,400. So I don't know if it was a stimulus or what it was. So I'm probably gonna go tool shopping for the toolbox. some of my own tools and whatnot, but so I got the toolbox. Just gonna show it off a little bit while I can. Before I forget. So just pretty much, some of the doors are really scattered and just really sporadic. Some of the doors I just need to get some stuff for the tools and whatnot. Like this door is just kind of a mess, just not really anything. This is kind of like the ratchets and air and stuff. Just kind of wrenches and whatnot. Screwdrivers, just other little junk. Some more wrenches, more like, what do you call it, socket or whatever you want to call them. Just little stuff like this. Light, I don't even know if the light works. Some of these some pliers and whatnot, just, you know, or whatever. So, and then you got just, I didn't even go over on any of this down here. I didn't go over any of that. I just kind of, and then I got some of these little socket rail things too. I need to put these right here. Put these on here. I got these. Oh shoot! I got these. There's just more sockets in there. Comes with these bars. These bars just go into place here. They lock right in front of there and lock it. And I think this detaches. But I think it's bolted down. This one goes on the bottom down here. And this one goes up here. This one goes down there. Everything close. Oh no! Even closes here. Closes there, so a little handle and whatnot. So it's a good starter toolbox. So it's something at least. So again, I didn't even think about it. I forgot to record a outro. So if you guys did enjoy the video and the content and the toolbox that I'm showing off, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the little post notifications bell, just click that, it'll ring or whatever, and you'll be notified anytime I go live or anytime I upload, and all that cool stuff. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, stay fresh.